Forget avocado toast with its 2 grams of protein. I'm taking breakfast to a whole new level with these StarKist tuna packs. We're gonna make 3 high-protein, delicious toasts with urban garlic, ranch, and whole grain Dijon. First up, let's start with a piece of sourdough. And for this, we're gonna be using the urban garlic to do a Mediterranean flair with 15 grams of protein and only 110 calories. A little bit of red onion, some tomato, and a small sprinkle of some feta for a Mediterranean breakfast toast. With our ranch at 15 protein and 70 calories, we're gonna turn this ciabatta into something special. And then on top of that, we're gonna add a little bit of cheddar jack cheese. And because I love it so much, I'm gonna do a little bit of hot sauce on top for an added punch of flavor and protein. And there we have our ranch creation. And now to our whole grain seeded bread. With just 80 calories and 12 grams of protein, we're gonna use our whole grain Dijon mustard. Now to these, I'm adding a little bit of egg. And since I don't have fresh, I'm gonna use a little bit of dried dill wheat, just for a little extra flavor punch. And there's a great creation with our whole grain Dijon mustard. So there we have it, 3 delicious high protein breakfasts, less than you would pay for an Egg McMuffin, all with these simple little StarKist tuna packs. I have a bunch more packs to try, so definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can see when I post the next video. All the tuna will be going to this playlist right here. I have an article on my website with tons of ideas what you can do with these different packets. The link for that is down below. And to save yourself time, money, and heartache at the grocery store, check out my free slow cook survival guide as well. Cheers to your breakfast. See you in the next one.